How can you set up employee tracking software on a laptop? How can you set up employee tracking on a laptop? Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and in this short video, I will give you the most important tips that you can follow to set up employee tracking on an employee laptop. So the first thing that you must do, this is important, I know that you don't want to hear it, is check with your lawyer if you're allowed, legally allowed, to set up employee tracking in your country and in your specific situation, because it is depending on the country and on the situation, it might not be allowed. And the problem is that okay, probably nobody is going to find out that there's monitoring software on the computer, but technically, but if you're not allowed, then the information that you collect uh, 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 installing employee tracking software, you will not be allowed to use that information, for example, to lay off an employee. Yeah. So this is the first thing. The second thing is you must select the correct employee tracking software to use. Yeah. What employee tracking software you should use, that depends on several things. First, it depends on what information, what you want to collect, yeah, keystrokes or screenshots, and also what operating system your employees' computer have. Do they have Windows? Do they have Mac computer? And um, uh, and third is that you install it. Yeah, for example, our computer monitoring software is wolfeye Remote Screen, and it is a employee tracking software for Windows computers. Yeah, and it basically allows you, I will show you in a minute, to see the live computer screen of your employees without them noticing it, as if you were sitting in front of the computer by yourself. And it also makes screenshots on a regular basis, like every minute, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, as you like, so that you can come back later to check what has been done on the computer. And that basically, that is the best way to track employee performance and employee productivity, to install a software, particularly with the features like wolfeye Remote Screen has. Okay, I recommend you go to our website, wolfeye.de here, yeah, wolfeye.de, and download it, wolfeye Remote Screen, for free. You can test it, download for free, and within a trial period. And should you need some more data, contact us, write us an email. You have all contact information here, also via WhatsApp, and we will be happy to help you. And here, the download button, you hit the download button, and you will be able to download it free, basically. And how does it work? I will show you. It looks like this. This is the hidden version of wolfeye Remote Screen. It looks like this, called kernel, because it is hiding itself from Task Manager. And this is how it looks. And you basically run it on the target machine of your employee and hit the green share screen button. A green button says share screen. You hit it, it turns red. It turns red. It means it's sharing the screen. It's showing you a link, and you will see the live screen of that computer following this link. Yeah, you will open the link in any browser, like your smartphone and any other remote computer. You will see the link. Because the link is encrypted, you have this gray button that says email URL. You hit it and can enter your email address. This link will be sent to your email address. And also, of course, you want that this Windows disappears and it runs in the background. For that, you have this button that says hide and Win Startup. You hit it, the Windows disappears, but the software continues to run in the background. And also will run on every Windows startup. You can try it, you should try it. And should you have any question, just contact us. So come to our website. Sorry, here it is, wolfeye.de. Download our software, and I have written a whole article about this with step by step. I will post the link below the video in the description, and I hope this helps.